The framework I'm about to show you surfaces a host of questions one should address during a historical simulation process that are similar to questions raised when discussing or writing history. Based on the framework for constructionist video game outlined by Winthrop, Holbert, Horn, and Wetlinski, I designed a learning environment where the construction process has a high degree of freedom. Users are free to make the things they want to make rather than having a false sense of choice. This choice, of course, comes with the power of historians to select certain voices and exclude others. This process can be part of a high-quality historical scholarship and can construct knowledge while it engages users. Users choose a location. Height map information is widely available on the internet. Using a service called Terrain Party, the user can select up to a 60 by 60 kilometer square and export it as a height map. A height map is a grayscale image where the darkest parts are the lowest elevation and the highest parts are the highest elevation. After importing a height map, they can use Unity tools to convert that into a terrain. A terrain is a series of vertex triangles with a collision engine so that the simulated characters can walk on the ground. The user can choose different resolution of that map in the in-game preferences. After rendering the map, one can add further details such as texturing, water, and wind. All this texturing can take some time. This is at 20x speed. But as you see, the results can be quite stunning with reflections and rich texturing abounding. After texturing the map, the student can then import free assets such as this light fantasy building pack. This gives us the ability to quickly create a small town with fences, sheds, and gates. This is an open-ended process and allows the user to choose freely. After this, I suggest the user may go to find some period art. Since we're looking at the invasion of Calais in 1347, I looked up some illuminated manuscripts from the period. After searching through what was available, which seems like a fairly large cache, I made some choices and picked some for my enemies. Once I made some graphical choices, I updated some models I had made earlier with the new graphics. I have one bad guy that can shoot, and one bad guy can only attack close at hand. Both use period art in order to give it an authentic feel. After this, I repeat the process to create the simulation that I desire.